Hi friends, so let's start our session on image and anchor tag. I, Akshat, is going to conduct this session with you. So let's start. Image and anchor tag. What is an anchor tag? The A tag, also known as anchor tag, defines a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to another. So this means that let's take an example. So I have two files, akshat.html and akshat2.html. I want that when the user goes on akshat.html, there is a link, and when he or she clicks on it, he reaches to akshat2.html. So this is done by a tag. The most important attribute of the A element is the ref attribute, which indicates the link destination. So, in the A element, the most important attribute is ref attribute. So, as you can see below on in the table, the attribute is ref, and inside it we will fill the URL. So, this specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Some of the attributes that I am going to tell. I am going to tell you download attribute, ref attribute, target attribute. So let's understand them. So the download attribute is an attribute in which we type the file name. So this specifies that the target will be downloaded when a user clicks on the hyperlink. The next is ref attribute. So I have already told you about this. The third one is the target attribute, in which we fill these five values: underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore self, underscore top, and frame name. And this specifies where to open the link document. So next go on the another slide. What is an image tag? The image tag known as is used to embed an image in an HTML page. Images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The image tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. So this means that the image tag does not technically insert the image into the web page. The image tag is linked on the to the web page like we link CSS and JavaScript files. So the image tag has two permanently required attributes, src and alt. So src specifies the path to the image, and alt specifies an alternate text for the image if the image for some reason cannot be displayed. So now let's go on VS Code and understand it. So now I am on the VS Code. So this is the before the file that we made in the last video. So I will create a new file now and name it akshat3.html. Wait a second once. No. So I will put the boilerplate. So here is the main code, and now I will tell the usage of the A tag. So now let me put the A tag, as you can see here. So this is the A tag. Now I will put the ref in this. So option will come to link the file. Which file do you want to link? So I will link akshat2.html, and I will type here click to get redirected, and I will put it in a h1 tag. Now I will run it, and it is being run. So The akshat3.html file has opened, and when I will click on it, it will open the akshat2.html file, as you can see. So I think you must have been understood how to use the ref attribute in the A tag. So now let's understand the download attribute of the A tag. So now I will duplicate this line and then put download and akshat2.html. So now I will change it to click to download source code, and I will save it, and now I will again run it. So I will get two options. So when I will click this one, it will download this akshat2.html file, and now you must have been understood the download attribute in the A element. So now let me tell you about the target attribute in the anchor tag. So now let me make another one here. Ref equal to akshat2.html, and in the text I will put click to open it. I will put target equal to underscore blank. So now it will open this file in a new window. So let's go. I will click it, so it is opening in a new window. So now let me tell you about one more attribute and the target attribute in anchor tag. So now let me duplicate it, enter, and now I will make it a comment, and I will do it underscore equal to self. So now this will open in this current window only, which is here. So now I will click on it, and it is opening in that window only. So now the anchor tag is complete from my end. If you want to learn more things in it, you can Google it and learn it. So now let me teach you the image tag in it. So for image tag, you will put image src equal to and alt equal to. So this will be used for linking an image, and likewise people will think that you have inserted it, but it would be linked. So here in this portion, the link in these, in between these, the link of the or the name of the or the path of the image will come here, and here the you will write if it is on web designing. So for example, I have written web designing dot png, and I have written web designing, and I saved it. It will put an error and the image will be not shown, but instead of it, the text I wrote in the alt attribute will be shown, and instead of the image, this will be shown if there is an error. So the image tag is also complete now. I hope you like my video and the session. So let's end it here. Before ending, I would say to comment below it, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.